Today I got my sasa.com order. It took 3 months, of course, because of Italian customs, and for spending about $100 US, I have to pay $50 US in taxes. So it's kind of ridiculous because, you know, it's not so cheap for me to order from, to order online for stuff when it's from outside of Europe. And, you know, SkinFood and all kinds of cosmetic companies that I like Etude House and stuff, they don't have, they don't offer shopping services in Europe. A lot of companies don't. And I wish they did. And I wish they would mark things as a gift, so I don't have to pay the taxes. So, but here is my sasa.com order. My boxes that arrived. I got two boxes full of stuff. Whoa, here we are. So I'm gonna open that for you, and I'm gonna show you my cat because she's watching. Hi Freya, we love you. So she often sits here on the piano chair with my husband and cuddles with him when he was doing his music. And right now I guess she's tired and she likes to just relax on this chair a lot. Ciao. Yeah. So she's a little tired right now. Okay, so I'm going to open this box for you and show you what's inside. Okay, so I opened it like this, and yeah, there's two boxes like that. And so inside it looks like this. And there's stuff. This is my SkinFood. I ordered the SkinFood cleanser, and they gave me a free Natio toner, a small one. So this is the SkinFood wildberry cleanser. It's bubble wrapped. So I'm going to take everything out of the two boxes and I'll show you. Okay, I opened everything and I'll show you what I got one by one. So these were the bijioe triple eyelashes, and I bought some stuff because it was just on sale. It had a special price. So these are number, I'm not sure. It says MTU 686 triple eyelash. Yeah, I guess that's it. So I got these ones, and they look interesting because the band looks long, and I have big eyes, so I'm always looking for ones that are long, but this band also looks thicker and harder. My favorite eyelashes are the Dollywink ones because they're big, so they actually fit my eye perfectly, and they're soft, and the eyelashes are long too, which I need to. Okay, so the Dollywinks actually suit me very well. And a lot of Japanese girls have really big eyes too, and I think that sometimes the Japanese ones tend to be bigger. But it depends. So this one is also big though. These are lower eyelashes, so this I got free then. Because if I bought one, I got one free. I got the lower lashes free. And I've never tried lower lashes. And so that's why I got this. Because they were giving some for free. And I thought, okay, I'll get this. Okay. This I have never tried before. I don't know if it's going to work. But this is for extracting like blackheads or acne. So one side is sharp to poke. And the other side is to press. Has like a little hoop thing. I don't know if you can see. Well, wait, I'll do it on the white. There. Hoop thing. And sharp point. This they gave me free. I got this rosehip whitening mask. Just because I like sheet masks and I like to try new sheet masks. The My Beauty Diary Cherry Blossom. And this is my favorite, the Black Pearl. So far, this is my favorite. So I can't wait to try these and let you know how these go. But the sake yeast are not my favorite. I like it, but so far, I like this the best because I find that my face also looks brighter. But I heard the same for this, so I wanted to try this. Because I'm always trying to brighten my face and lighten my dark spots and stuff. Okay, I got these because this was buy two get one free, and I love taking baths, and so I got these Blue Ocean, scusa. Sumimasen, Nihongo wasuretteru. So I'm really, my Japanese is getting really bad. Look, I read that wrong. How stupid am I? So yeah, the Blue Ocean bath salts. I'm not sure what the company is actually. Yeah, Ryukyu bihada bath salt in Blue Ocean. Okay. I got some SK2 little samples. I mean, I had to buy these little samples, and they were they were not that cheap either. And they're like tiny. This is the cellumination deep surge, and this is the cellumination mask in lotion. I mean, SK2 is so expensive, but I heard it's so good. I got this toner free, this Natio toner, for spending like over 100 or something, or 75 or 50. They give you a little Natio toner free, which is good because I'm almost finished all of my toner. A sleeping mask, because I've never tried a sleeping mask before and I wanted to try it. So this is the Oslee Clear Spa sleeping mask, and it was of course buy one get one free, so I decided to get it. And I'm not sure if I'm actually going to sleep with it on, because in the reviews that I always research a lot before I buy stuff. They said that this one is really sticky, and then I was like, okay, so what I'll probably do is I'll keep it in the fridge, and when I come home and I wash my face, then I'll put this on and keep it on for a few hours until it's time to sleep, and then I'll wash my face and then do my normal skin routine. So probably you cannot read this, but it's a purifying, hydrating, relaxing, and antioxidant mask. Okay, then I got these. You can see I removed all the plastic and stuff, but then I got these, and it was again buy one get one free, and these were like $29, and they're actually really small boxes. I didn't think it was going to be like that, but actually there's just these there's just these pads inside that heat up, and you put it on your belly, and it's supposed to help you. It's supposed to it's a new self-heating fat dissolve navel emplastic. And yeah, so it's supposed to help you burn fat, and I thought this would be good in the winter because I'm always so cold, and I thought, well, I could wear this and it'll make me warm, and hopefully it might even help me, you know, detox and lose weight, you know, so that, you know, because in the winter I always gain weight too. But even if it doesn't work to help me lose weight, at least it'll keep me warm because I'm always so cold. Okay, and I can sleep with it on. It'll help me sleep, hopefully. Okay, so then I got this set of 35 masks, and I got the whitening mask set by My Beauty Diary, moisturizing and whitening set. And so it comes with hydraulic acid moisturizing masks. There's 34 masks in the whole set, and I paid like, I don't remember, $35 for 34 masks. I thought it was okay. These are the Arbutin whitening masks, and these are the more expensive masks from My Beauty Diary. And this is the Gold and Marine Collagen Lift Stretch Mark Mask. Yeah, it says, no, Lift Stretch Mask. So these ones also have the neck part. So it's supposed to help in lifting. I don't really know if that's going to happen, but actually I don't really need lifting on my face. So, but yeah. I just like that it has gold and marine collagen inside. Okay, and then it also has 2 platinum pearl lift stretch masks. So that's also for whitening. So yeah, And that's really what I need. I want whitening, and I want hydrating. I have super dry sensitive skin, and I have tan skin, and yeah, I actually do want to be paler, and I do want to lighten my marks, like any pigmentation on my face, because when I get acne, I tend towards hyperpigmentation. So I want to lighten the marks. So, and then the last thing I got was, so wait, actually this thing closes, so it's like that, and then it's like that. Ta-da. So look how many masks I got. There's 10 in each of these. So that's good. I think I paid $11 or $12 for each box from Sasa. And then there's 10 of the cherry blossom and 10 of the pearl. So I have lots of sheet masks now. And the wildberry milk cleansing foam moist from Skinfood. And this is finally my first Skinfood item that I've ever bought. And yeah, I'm excited to use this. And I definitely needed a new cleanser. So I needed a cleanser, and I thought, yay, Skinfood. Okay. Yeah, so that's what I got. And I have so many things to review, actually, that I've tried, and some of the products that I've finished. And so I just need to review them now. Well, thanks for watching, and next time I'll have a review for you guys on Clarins and Helena Rubinson and other products that I've tried and I've basically finished using them. Bye bye, ciao.